Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to embed a contact form in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go and show you the contact form that are recently created with WP Forms. You can go here and see all the forms that are created. So now if you want to add any of the contact form, then simply you need to add a shortcode on any page. So for example, let me go in pages and add a new page. Then simply you can add the shortcode here. You can also add the shortcode from here, add form button. Then you can select the contact forms, and if you want to display title and description, then you can check box, and after that you can add a title, for example, contact form by WP Forms. Then let me scroll down and select the template, and after that click on publish button. So now if you want to check the form on the front side, then you can easily check here. So now if you are using Elementor plugin, then you can simply go and edit with Elementor. And now let's add a new container. So then click on plus button, then search for shortcode, drag it here, then simply you can add the shortcode here. So now contact form is added here, then click on publish button. So in this way you can easily embed a contact form in your WordPress website.